OpenClaw plus Ollama plus Kimi K2.6 is insane, free. This is crazy. Just found an AI that actually does work for you. Real work. Just chat. Runs your tasks. Replies to your messages. Builds apps. And the best part? It's totally free. I'm about to show you how to set this up in one command. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around because what happens next is insane. So here's the deal. Most AI tools are just chatbots. You ask a question, give an answer. That's it. What if I told you there's a stack that turns AI into an actual worker? Thing that can run for hours on its own. Thing that connects to WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord. Thing that doesn't just talk, but actually executes. That's what OpenClaw plus Ollama plus Kimi K2.6 does. And I'm going to break down exactly how it works. Let me explain what just changed. Kimi just dropped K2.6. This isn't just another language model. This is an agent native model. What does that mean? It means it's built to do things, not just answer questions. It can handle multi-hour coding tasks. It can run agent swarms, hundreds of sub-agents working together. It can execute workflows in the background while you sleep. This is not ChatGPT alternative stuff. This is AI that actually does work by itself. And the tool use is way better than older models. Way more accurate. More reliable. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's talk about OpenClaw. Think of it as the hands of your AI. It's the execution layer. It connects to all your apps. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord. And it runs locally on your computer through Ollama. So what can it do? It can send messages for you. It can automate tasks. It can manage entire workflows. It can use tools. It can search the web. Basically, it's like Zapier plus ChatGPT plus AutoGPT all rolled into one. It's local and it's free. And then there's Ollama. This is the glue that holds everything together. Ollama makes running these models stupidly simple. You don't need to mess with complex setups. You don't need to configure a bunch of stuff. Ollama handles the model download, handles the runtime, handles the integration with OpenClaw. Everything just works. Command and you're done. So why is this stack blowing up right now? Because it feels like a complete system, just a model. You've got Kimi as the brain, that's the intelligence. You've got OpenClaw as the hands, that's the execution. And you've got Ollama as the operating system. That's what makes it all run smoothly. When you put them together, you get something that actually works. Something that can replace multiple tools. Something that feels like the future. All right, let me show you how to set this up. This is so simple, it's going to blow your mind. Just go to ollama.com and install Ollama. That's it. That's step one. Once you've got Ollama installed, you're ready for the magic part. Open your terminal. Type this command. I'm going to launch OpenClaw model Kimi K2.5 cloud. If you want the latest version, use K.6 instead of K2.5. Hit enter. Watch what happens. A single command does everything. Installs OpenClaw. It sets the model. It starts the agent system. It enables all the plugins. You don't have to do anything else. The system automatically installs the gateway daemon. It enables the web search plugin. It opens a terminal UI. Configures the model. Everything happens on its own. You just sit there and watch it work. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can connect this to your apps. Type OpenClaw configure -- section channels. You can connect WhatsApp. You can connect Telegram. You can connect Discord. This is the moment where people lose their minds. Because now your AI can reply to messages for you automatically without you touching anything. Imagine that. Your AI handling conversations while you do other stuff. If you want to learn how to scale your business and automate tasks with AI tools like OpenClaw and Kimi, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. You'll get step-by-step guides on setting up agent systems like this one, plus access to experts who are already crushing it with AI. Links in the comments and description. Let me show you what this thing can actually do. Because talking about it is one thing, seeing it work is another. You can tell it to summarize your emails and reply to them. You can tell it to build a website from scratch. You can tell it to research a topic and create a document. You can tell it to reply to your Telegram messages based on context. And it actually does it. It just gives you suggestions. Executes the whole thing. It's what makes this different from every other AI tool. Most AI tools work like this. You give a prompt. You get a response. That's it. But this stack works differently. You give a prompt. The AI makes a plan. Executes that plan. And then it iterates. It keeps going until the task is done. It's not a one and done thing. It's a full workflow. And that changes everything. Think about the use cases here. If you're a freelancer, you can automate all your repetitive tasks. If you're a student, you've got a research agent that never sleeps. If you're a developer, you've got a coding agent that can handle multi-hour tasks. If you run a business, you've got messaging bots that can handle customer conversations. This isn't theoretical. People are already doing this stuff right now. And here's something most people don't understand yet. This is early stage agent infrastructure. Not just talking about better language models anymore. We're talking about autonomous systems. systems that can orchestrate multiple agents, systems that can run in the background without supervision, systems that can use tools better than humans in some cases. This is a shift from LLMs to actual autonomous agents, and you're seeing it happen in real time. Let me talk about what Kimi K2.6 actually brings to the table, because this is important. Kimi isn't optimized for chat, it's optimized for tool use. That means it's better at using external tools than most models, it's better at orchestration, it's better at managing complex workflows. And here's the key thing, agent orchestration matters more than model intelligence. You can have the smartest model in the world. If it can't use tools properly, it's useless. Kimi gets this right. The long horizon coding feature is nuts. Most models struggle with tasks that take more than a few minutes. They lose context, make mistakes, need constant supervision. Kimi can handle tasks that run for hours, maintains context, stays on track, completes the job. That's a game changer for anyone doing serious work. And the agent swarm execution is even crazier. Imagine having hundreds of sub-agents working on different parts of a problem at the same time, breaking down complex tasks into smaller pieces, executing them in parallel, combining the results. That's what Kimi K2.6 can do. When you combine that with OpenClaw's ability to connect to all your apps, you get something that feels like magic. Let me give you a real example. You want to research a topic, compile the findings into a document, and email it to your team. For normal AI, you'd have to do each step manually. Research, copy-paste into a doc, write the email, send it. With this stack, you just tell it what you want, and it does everything. Researches, it creates the document, sends the email. You don't touch anything. That's the power of autonomous workflows. I gotta be real with you. There are some limitations. If you're running this locally, you need decent hardware. If you don't have a good GPU, it's gonna be slow. You can use the cloud version, but that can also be slow sometimes. And there are security risks with agents. Anytime you give AI access to your apps, you're taking a risk. You need to understand what you're doing. You need to set boundaries. You can't just let it run wild. Here's the thing. Even with those limitations, this is the closest thing to Jarvis we have right now. And it's free. You don't need to pay for API access. You don't need to subscribe to some service. You just install it and run it. That's it. And as the technology gets better, this is only going to get more powerful. So what should you do next? Install Ollama, OpenClaw running, connect it to your apps. Start with simple tasks, build your way up, and how it works. Experiment with different prompts, see what it can do. And most importantly, think about how this fits into your workflow. Because this isn't just a cool tool. This is the future of how we work with AI. The shift is happening, moving from chat interfaces to agent systems, moving from one-off responses to autonomous workflows, moving from AI that assists to AI that executes. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. If you want to learn how to scale your business and automate tasks with AI tools like OpenClaw and Kimi, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. You'll get step-by-step guides on setting up agent systems like this one, plus access to experts who are already crushing it with AI. Links in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. This is just the beginning. Agent infrastructure is still early. The people who get in now, who learn how to use these systems, who build their workflows around them, they're going to have a massive advantage. So don't sleep on this. Set it up today. Start experimenting. And let me know in the comments what you build with it, because I want to see what you create.